Hi guys, morning. This is Kevin Richards of forextradeand.com. Welcome to my channel. I'm here to discuss with you guys my journey with trading and how it will be beneficial to you guys in terms of my 14 years of experience in the markets and some of the nuggets that I can share with you guys and how to become profitable and expert in this arena. Now, I'm currently aligned with a company called Epic Trading, where we have an exciting program, very fun-filled, and persons are able to learn how to trade. And we have an active community of traders where we share daily markup sessions and fundamental analysis and just basically looking over and deciding when to buy and sell. So without further ado, let me get into the presentation. All right, so how do you master foreign exchange trading? All right, so guys, first thing you want to do is to choose one currency pair that meets or matches your personality. How do you do that? When starting out, first, you're gonna probably do a demo account and then you test around. When I started out, I tried the British pairs, the GBP US and the GBP JPY. And I preferred JPY because it was more volatile, it paid out more pips. So for every 100 pips you make on GBP US, I'd probably make about 250 on GBP JPY. However, as time elapsed, I learned that gold was paying out more and was even more volatile. So I started gravitating to that one based on my personality. So there are some pairs that are slow, there are some pairs that are fast, there are some pairs that operate in specific markets. So for example, the GBP pairs, you'll find that they move more in the British session, but pairs like the NAS 100, US 30, etc. will move more in the New York session because each pair is controlled by a specific market with a vested interest. So stick to a few pairs. Do not go over, I wouldn't recommend going over 3 pairs. Each currency pair has its own unique personality. So it's best to stick to 1, 2, or no more than 3 so that you know the pairs inside out and you'll be able to make better judgments and calls whenever it comes to that pair, because they have certain times that they move, they have different trends, various things that cause them to move based on the fundamentals. For example, oil is moved by OPEC news. Some pairs move by key data like interest rate decision, non-farm payroll. So it's best to know if you prefer a US cross or an Asian cross, etc. All right. Now, knowing your sessions, there are three key sessions: Asia, London, and New York. Right. Asia is a bit slow. London and New York, you'll find more liquidity. I per se prefer London going into New York because that is when you find when the market is at its premium in terms of liquidity. And you'll get some of the best trading opportunities during those sessions going in. The next thing you need to know is how to master the art of timing. You need to know exactly when to execute trades. So with this regards, there are key things that I use for timing, and it comes along with experience. Now, there are techniques I use, for example, I call the handshake, uh, where between sessions, let's say Asia goes up to a specific price, then New York comes right to that price and rejects, then that would have constituted a handshake, and that would have confirmed to me that they're ready to buy or sell. All right, so you have to know the exact moment. Another thing I use too is confluence. I use trend lines. So if the trend line, the market comes back to the trend line and it changes color to a buy or sell, basically respecting the trend line, then that will be a confluence. But after looking at the 4-hour close, I would then wait for it to pull back, use a smaller time frame, like the 15-minute, to see exactly when it's gonna pull back to the line and reject again. So that would give me a perfect sniper entry. All right. You need to do top-down analysis of the bigger time frames. Top-down meaning you start from the higher, going down to the lower. So you could even start from the weekly time frame, and you could look for specific patterns like the head and shoulder, or a double top, double bottom, etc. Those are key decision patterns, and that will give you clues or insights as to what the market is doing and to the trend that you should be looking for on the lower time frame. And when you get your confirmation during your sessions, then you can take your trades. Another thing you need to work on is developing trading rules. Now, trading rule entails high probability setups and scenarios that you deem to be best results. And you'll learn this over time by testing different things. So for me, for example, there are specific days I find to be more liquid, like on a Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. So I try to stay out of Friday and Monday and focus on specific sessions like New York going, UK going into New York for best liquidity, and trading from Tuesdays to Thursdays. So that's my trading rule. And you'll find that you get best results when you stick to what you've discovered, a little sweet spot that works for you. And don't break your trading rules, because if you trade on a, let's say you decide that you don't want to trade on a Monday because Mondays are slow, there's poor liquidity, and you don't know whether it's buying or selling, do not trade on a Monday. It's best to get at least 1 or 2 excellent trades for the day, more than having 9 trades which are all win and lose, win and lose. You want to be in profit. The aim of this game is to be in consistent profits. So you want to try to only target high probability scenarios where you know that you're going to have a high likelihood of succeeding, and an excellent win ratio, or what we call risk reward. So you minimize your losses and maximize your profits. All right, so you have to also develop a strategy. You can gain mentorship from an expert trader like myself. There are different things you can use: moving averages. You can use this mirror price action or trend lines, and that sort of thing. Bollinger Bands. These things help you to give confluence, then basically to figure out exactly when to buy and when to sell. For me personally, I like price action and trend lines together, along with time. And during specific sessions, those give me an excellent confluence to determine if my buy or sell trade is ready. All right. So epic trading. So let me get into that now. We are a network marketing company that offers trading education, an excellent program, very exciting team of talented traders, but not only just talented, but we are also fun, and we like to share and get the best for all persons who are involved. So what entails the program? We have the Epic University. where you go through detailed strategies from the experts. We have downloadable PDF documents like a Candlestick Bible and 2-week syllabus. And there are a lot of videos, a wide variety of videos with different strategies. The money maker theory, X factor, different strategies that you can all learn, all of the tools that I've been speaking about, different key tools that will enable you to take your trading to the next level and become expert. We also give live signals, which are very accurate, a high win ratio, fundamental analysis. We look at the upcoming news releases and figure out how it will impact the trend, along with market forecast. We have excellent customer support and also a proprietary strategy called 20 pips and dips, which teaches you how to secure 20 pips consistently. And all of this is included in the back office when you enroll. And it's only $134.99 at the time of recording this video. You also have an option to enroll for less by paying with Bitcoin. All right. So if you need more information, you can check out my website, forexchairman.com, and the sign-up details are included. Kevin Richards. Now, if you've always been dreaming of the time freedom and financial freedom that you deserve, and you want to make this your reality, then you can partner with Epic Trading and get the ball started. Now, Epic is an excellent program, and we have one of our strongest points is the authority and expertise in trading. So if you really want to know how to become a master trader, to become very good at it, and to have the best results possible, a skill set that can take care of you for life, then this is the way to go. I am available at any time. You can reach out to me on my website. That's forexchairman.com. And I'll be able to walk you through the process, sign you up, and help you to also, if you're interested in building out, to earn additional income to fund your trading accounts, then we can also work on that for you. All right. So this is Kevin Richards, and it was a pleasure giving you guys the information. And I'm always here to offer mentorship, support, guidance. So feel free to reach out to me at any time. Remember the website, check your description link below. It's forexchairman.com. Thanks.